We're here at 120 Cypress Lane, Unit 1, Oldsmar, Florida, 34677. This is the 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo, priced at $175. The HOA fees are $330 a month, which covers water, trash, cable, community pool, and several other amenities. As you walk in, you see your dining area and living room. Gives you a wonderful view of outside. You have a very spacious patio here, which leads into your master bedroom. Master bedroom has plenty of closet space. You have a smaller closet here, and then on your other side of the wall, 4, you have your bigger master closet. All right. Also in our master, we have bathroom, shower, and in this door here to our left, we have our towel closet. As you come back out to the living room area, you have your kitchen. This door to our right here is our pantry, and then this is your kitchen area. And then we have our second bath and second bedroom. Second bath, newer vanity, shower, tub combo. And then our second bedroom. Plenty of closet space. Alright. Once again, this is 120 Cypress Lane, Unit 1, Oldsmar, Florida, 34677. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo. It is 1,053 square feet.